For the third time in less than 2 weeks, Corps contractors are raising temporary emergency levees, work that's becoming more difficult with time and weather.
After the second phase of work, contractors and Corps quality assurance representatives were sent home.
It seemed like in a matter of 12 hours we were in total reverse, recalling the QAs, recalling equipment and trucks, and bringing that in. In the middle of all this happening, we had an 8-inch heavy wet snowstorm that is adding an additional ½ inch of moisture into our system.
The potential for flooding increased as the Corps released record outflow from nearby Bald Hill Dam to accommodate larger flows coming into the reservoir from upstream. These larger outflows put a strain on downstream communities like Valley City and Lisbon.
There's been changes daily, and it's been very challenging to adjust to those changes. As we've moved along in the event, we found that there were historic levels of water coming down the Cheyenne River